Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. After a long pause of almost 2 years, I'm happy to be here again with you and also in my social media. So today we are going to see how to go from here to this simple notebook. In my case, I am doing a notebook, but you can use it also for making your art journals. I think it's a very versatile technique that you can use. So in my case, I am using regular copy paper, but you can use, of course, if you are going to use it for an art journal, you can use different papers as watercolor paper, mixed media paper, etc. So in my case, I am using 10 papers. So it's going to be a notebook of 20 pages in total, because for the size of the staples is the maximum they accept. If you are using a bigger stapler or the ones that are especially designed in the market for book binding, then you have to calculate, of course, the number of pages that they accept. But in my case, it's 10 pages. So I am using, as a cover, I am using just one of my draws, my paints. It is done in a mixed media paper of 250 grams. So I recommend you to use a paper of this weight, more or less, in order to be enough, strong enough to be as a cover. Or in any case, you can use also, for example, a scrapbooking paper if you want, as you wish, but something strong, not a regular copy paper. And now I am just adjusting the size of the paper, of the cover, sorry, and then we are going to find the middle of it and make a little mark just to be easier to fold it. So as you can see, it's a very simple technique, and I think you can put it in practice for many projects, because, for example, you can also make in different sizes. For example, I use it for a bigger art journal, more than a regular A4 size, or even a smaller. You want, for example, a notebook for your back. So I think it's very versatile. So now that we have found the middle of the cover and the papers, we have the structure, let's say, then we are going to use the stapler to make the book binding. So in this case, I'm using just a regular foam that I found in a packet. So it was like a protection of the product, and I just keep it because I am using these foams also for my cold porcelain flowers. If you follow me in my social media, I am also making cold porcelain flowers, and I use this type of foam as a base for them. Also, you can just use a simple sponge, for example, something that is not very hard, because the staples, the thing is with this technique, when you use the sponge, the staple stays open. So then, as you see now, I am just closing the staples to make sure that the paper is very well attached, and also in order not to hurt yourself while you are writing or drawing in the notebook. So this is the key point of the technique, something that is not so strong, a little flexible for the staple to be inside. So yeah, here it is. This is a very simple technique, but I thought to make some videos of basic techniques that everybody that is a beginner in mixed media needs to know. So hope you like it. I hope you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next time. Bye.